What did these objects have in common? All of these were invented by researchers of the Hebrew University of Jerusalem and brought to market by Yissum. Yissum, the technology transfer company of the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, is one of the world's first technology transfer companies. Entrusted with the Hebrew University's intellectual property, it is Yissum's role to commercialize the inventions of Hebrew University researchers with the purpose of research and scientific excellence. The Hebrew University's long history of excellence started in 1925 with Albert Einstein and continued with an impressive list of Nobel laureates and world-leading scientists. Today, it is Israel's leading university, the only one among the top 100 universities in the world. It hosts over 40% of Israel's biotechnology research and 30% of Israel's academic research in general. In 1964, Yissum was founded as a world pioneer in technology transfer. Now, it ranks among the top 15 technology transfer organizations worldwide in terms of revenues. Yissum's commercialization efforts transform innovations into products that are successfully sold by leading companies around the world. Two prominent examples are Exelon, a drug for the treatment of symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and dementia sold in both oral and patch formulations, and Doxil, a chemotherapy for ovarian cancer, which was the first nanomedicine and the first liposomal drug approved by the US FDA. Doxil is one of only a few cancer medications of Israeli origin currently on the world market. Bringing Exelon and Doxil to market has helped millions of patients around the world. Another nanotechnology-based drug is Cationorm, ocular oil in water emulsion formulation for dry eye symptoms. The Cationorm has a triple effect of moisturizing, lubricating, and protecting the ocular surface. Ethosome is a sophisticated nanocarrier for drug delivery into and across the skin. Based on this technology, dermatological and cosmeceutical products were developed. Supervir for the treatment of herpes infection of the lips, and Body Shape, an anti-cellulite cream. Not nano-sized, but yet a tiny device solving a big problem is the periochip, a small chip inserted into the periodontal pocket for reduction and elimination of inflammation. The insertion procedure takes seconds, is painless, and can replace periodontal surgery. Israel's only faculty of agriculture at the Hebrew University is a fertile ground for original basic and pioneering applied research. It is here that the development of long shelf-life tomatoes was achieved, thus extending the marketing period of the produce, allowing the original breeding of both long-keeping tasty cherry tomatoes and the vine-ripened high-flavored trust tomatoes. These innovative products, now common year-round, formed and still are the basis for the success of Israel's seed industry. Yissum is proud of its pioneering role in establishing Israel as a leading center in the world market for innovative foods and seeds. Another important breed is the blocky-shaped bell pepper. Suitable for growing under mild winter conditions, they are a market leader in the major production areas in Spain, Israel, and Mexico. Next time you eat a tasty salad, think of us. A new system was developed for growing fish in inland fish basins, even in the desert. This zero-discharge system is non-polluting and is able to supply the growing demand for fish in a sustainable manner. Feeding the world is important, but what about pleasing the senses? Here, the Department of Plant Sciences is the only laboratory in the world that researches the interconnections between the scent and color of flowers. New ways were found to genetically enhance flower scent and introduce new aroma characteristics into plants. In a world that is thirsty for water technologies, academic researchers have an important role in finding applicable solutions. Two main areas relating to water quality are investigated at the Water Treatment Laboratory: potable water and advanced wastewater treatment for water reuse. For over 80 years, the Faculty of Science has been recognized for its contribution to expanding the frontiers of knowledge and shaping the future of Israeli science and technology. Looking into the far horizon, pioneering research is conducted at the Embryonic Stem Cells Laboratory. This group was the first to demonstrate the direct differentiation and the genetic manipulation of human embryonic stem cells. The study of stem cells holds a key to future scientific breakthroughs. Pushing the boundaries of physics and chemistry, the Center for Nanoscience and Nanotechnology is an interdisciplinary meeting point for researchers from various fields. The center promotes close ties with industry to achieve implementation of scientific discoveries in real-life applications, such as coatings, cosmetics, and alternative energy applications. Israel's largest institute for brain research was launched at the Hebrew University to help solve one of the key scientific questions of the 21st century: how the human brain works. Here, scientists in the field of neuroscience, neurobiology, psychology, and computerized brain simulation conduct groundbreaking research to decode this puzzle. The world-renowned School of Computer Science and Engineering is an incubator to many research applications currently implemented in high-tech startups and leading corporations. For example, Mobileye is a pioneer in the development of vision-based advanced driver systems for the prevention of car accidents. The system is installed in BMWs, General Motors, and Volvos and can also be added separately. Drive safely. Humanized technology enables the generation and printing of 3D and animated images. BriefCam's technology enables summarizing days of surveillance video information into a few minutes. A variety of technologies that manipulate images and video now allow everyone to play with pictures, videos, and even warp time. A beauty algorithm helps optimize photographed faces without radically altering them, and a method for seamless cloning of a source image patch into a target image. Yissum offers for licensing hundreds of technologies in various fields. Led by a board of directors comprised of a majority of industry leaders and 3 university representatives, Yissum also serves as the point of contact for industry partners searching for a scientific solution to an industrial problem. Forever in search of new business partners, we bridge the gap between 2 opposite worlds, academia and industry. Through its support and encouragement of research, development, and education, Yissum is dedicated to turning science into commercial products for society's use and benefit.